Hey YouTube, gonna be checking out this RGBgenie ZigBee 3.0 remote. Has a favorite setting, dim up, dim down, on and off, on a magnetic backplate, very strong. Gonna be going and pairing this to Philips Hue hub to be controlled by SmartThings and wall mounting. So let's get to it. Kind of hard to see, but this remote has a little piece of plastic underneath the battery that prevents it from draining, and you got to pull out that tab before it actually starts working. Some have little pull strips on the bottom. This one was kind of hard to find. So the instructions say that you can check whether or not it belongs to a network if you press any button and it does blink. And I did unsuccessfully pair it the first time, because now that it's paired to Hue, I press a button, it will blink like so. So let's do the touch linking and install. So got it installed on the wall plate. Looks pretty awesome. Strong magnet. My only kind of beef is you can kind of see in there where it'd be nice to have it stretch a little bit more, but at least it doesn't pop up the plate anymore. So it's probably better like this, because normally this can be invisible. So it goes back in, perfect. Now let's get it paired to some lights. So to touch link, we go up to the bulb, hold down this until this lights up. Then quickly press that and it should be kind of it. So here we have a bulb. Let's try. Hopefully I can do this one-handedly. And then it says it's going to blink 5 times for success. So, okay, that's still gonna do some stuff, I guess. On, up. Yeah, these actually don't, they don't hold. So these are the dim ones, right? And the dim speed's pretty slow. I would say still Lutron connected bulb remote's the fastest. Pressing on will just do last default, so you always got to bring it back. Let's pair some more. So with touch linking, you always got to be, they say, within like 10 inches, or because it's going to pair to the closest one it finds in the process, where the protocol really only happens in a short distance. All right. Okay, and then it goes back to that color, off, on, and then the other one. Yeah, so they're both working. Let's try last one here. I actually remember this bulb being a little bit weird. Let's try just turning it off and on again. Remember I had to do this last time for some reason. Yep. Weird, that one. Give me my okay. All right. Back to teal. And all 3 of them are turning on and off with the switch. Okay, great. Just to show you guys, it's off over there, off over there, off on that one, on, Sweet. Great. Let's do the favorite now. Showing you guys all three bulbs, I'll assume you'll trust me. I've changed them all to white. Now let's press this one. Yep, it did save the color. That is awesome. Wow. So I know what my favorite ZigBee 3.0 Philips Hue wall remotes are. Definitely RGBgenie. These are amazing. They have some other great products too, which I'm going to be testing out and reviewing as well. Ones that you can actually change the color, like with a physical color wheel on the wall. Should be just as good. Watch for that. Thanks guys. See ya. Bye.